snap.
These are, oh my, dude, these are real bullet holes. They work. Yes, they work. Alrighty guys, we're fixing to go to the junkyard and see if they got anything. I might be doing captain chairs in the back. We'll see what they got there, and let's go. Dude, this place is too big. Oh my gosh. Alrighty guys, we're just gonna look around and I'll show you till we get some Silverados. Alrighty guys, this is like more of like a bubble eye one, but we found some rear captains. These bolt right into my truck basically.
Dude,
these are good shape.
Dude. I mean,
perfect.
If you cover them, dude, pressure wash them before you
tighten up a couple bolts.
Alright, well
let's keep looking. Yeah. Hey, here's a Blazer again. These Blazers are so cool, dude. They're just like the S10s. Oh, this is a Yukon.
The headrests are gone.
No, those are big. Okay.
Was this his bumper? Oh, it was a 2x4.
Look at this thing, guys. What's going on? Denali? Look at that. Oh my god, the seats are perfect. I'm getting these.
Dude, the frame is snap. Yeah, dude, these seats are perfect, dude.
These are. Oh!
Did you step on something? Or are you just wet?
I went straight in that used bottle.
Oh, okay. I thought you like got a needle in you or something. I was scared. You were like, oh! Look.
Perfect. Ooh. Open the door. Ooh.
Bitch. Somebody's been stashing parts in here, dude. No, but look.
Oh, shoot. God, them things are beat. Look at that.
Run.
Looks like your Tacoma. Your Tacoma's probably out here. Dude, someone died in this. There's no way they made it.
Dude, look. The airbag didn't go off, and look, the steering wheel's bent, so they probably hit the steering wheel.
Wait, the steering wheel's bent?
You see how it's bent?
Dude, someone probably passed in this, bro.
Dude, show them that. That's like mold and stuff.
Here, we're gonna go ahead and get these. Should I get these?
Yeah, these are great.
Oh my god. Oh my. Dude, these are real bullet holes.
Look.
Oh my gosh. Dude, someone got shot at in this. Look at those perfect 9mm holes.
Let's to the other side.
Oh my gosh, dude. Someone got shot in this.
The bullet's still in there. It didn't make it all the way through.
Dude, what? Someone got shot in this, bro. You're kidding.
Looks like a pretty nice truck.
Dude.
Did they come through the bed?
Dude. Someone got killed in this. Bro, these are real bullet holes.
Look right here, brother. That's an entry hole right here.
That's exit.
Exit, yeah. That's crazy, dude.
Oh my, we just came upon this. Someone was digging this thing. All right, guys, we're just gonna like go ahead and head back. We're gonna probably go to those 2 ones and see which ones the seats are nicer, and take them out of those. So we're gonna see. Dude, this is a rare Airshop Yukon.
Everyone,
look at this, dude. You gotta see this old Colorado. Frame's bent.
Oh, was it a rust bucket?
I think these are it, dude. Oh, wait, this ain't it. Where is it? Guys, we found it. I think these would move. We're gonna run seat covers, but
I mean, check them out. Like, get it. Like, let me get out and like just go.
Well, here, let's open the other door too.
Wait.
What?
Are they heated? There's a heated seat button right here. Are the back?
That's for the front one.
Oh. Wait, no, they're heated.
These seats are heated.
Dude.
We got the seats priced, and that's a good deal for me because all the ones on Marketplace are too expensive.
They're in perfect shape. Dude.
They are. So we're getting the tools out of my truck. We're gonna use the tools Rowan brought. Go ahead and pull them, pay for them, get them out of here.
We're gonna need that.
Woo! Pick your part. Pretty good deals. Oh, there's a lot of cars in there. We didn't even look at all the trucks. There's no Tundras in there. We saw one.
We saw one Tundra and one 4Runner, but they were both like so beat up.
They were. So let's head in, pull these parts for you guys, and let's get her done. Where's the tools? Where's the tools? Where's the tools, dude? Oh.
All right, start rolling. Whoa! Shoot. Hold on, the socket's coming open. Hold on.
That'll put a hurting on you, son.
Okay, bro.
Oof, this is it. And they got a warranty, so if they don't fit, I'm gonna just bring them back. All money back guarantee. He didn't bring deep sockets. This is gonna be a pain. Alright guys, we've been working on for a second.
I guess I'm gonna have to disconnect.
Took the bolts.
Hold on. Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh, Sardinia! Alright, get it, dude. I'm recording. Lift it up. Oh, I'm not ready.
There it goes. There it goes.
You got it. Oh my God, this thing's 100 pounds. Look at this thing, is all stripped and barren from the seats. Gone. I think it's a...
Put your truck down while you're paying.
Yeah.
You ain't gotta walk it.
Dude, this thing looks weird with the seats like right there. This thing's a freaking... Look, everyone behind me is gonna be so confused as to what that is. I actually ended up getting these out of a Yukon, so I don't know if it'll be the same-ish fit because it comes out of a bigger framed car, truck, you know. This is just a 1500. I have the 5.3, 2004. Pretty sure this came out of a 2005 Denali. And now what I'm working on, guys, is I'm gonna take these seats out. So let's get straight into it. So I have actually already went ahead and took out the bolts. It's literally just a bolt here, the bolt right there, one here, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's also one right there that just holds it nice in place. So we're gonna try and go ahead and get these out. Alrighty guys, it's already gotten a little bit too dark and I hit my hand. So I wanna get some great content for you guys, so I'll catch y'all in the morning. What's poppin', guys? It's the next day. I just unbolted the rest of the bolts like I told y'all yesterday, and now I'm gonna start pulling it out. It's actually snowing, so anyway. So I literally just unbolted the, there's little, like it's so easy. You just unbolt the rest. I've picked it up. Now it's gonna be heavy, so I'm gonna drag it in the garage and show y'all. Alrighty guys, went ahead and unbolted right here and here and took the separated seat out. Alrighty guys, we got it moved out. I'd recommend 2 people for that because the chairs are heavier than you think. They're just awkward. So we got it out. This is nasty, so I'm gonna clean that in, but I'm kind of excited. So I want to see if these actually fit first. So let's get into it. They work. Yes, they work. Yes, yes. Dude, I'm freaking ecstatic right now. It freaking mounts all right up. Woo, I got these out of a freaking Yukon, as y'all saw. I was worried about it not mounting up right. Everything mounts up freaking perfect. So let's get these bolts on and get the other side in. All right, so guys, perfect. Just as before, you literally just throw these little nuts on or whatever. There's just 4 little holes. Super duper easy. That's why I love these trucks, man. Obviously there and then there. So I'm gonna tighten her up and let's see if we can get this other one in and fit it correctly. And done. They need a freaking clean. And that's 100% sure we're going to get this thing clean. But, dude, I'm liking it. Let's get the other side in and we get a full look. Okay, we got this one in. And now we're going to put the bolts on just like the other one. Alrighty, guys, we just got it done. And I'm fixing to do the grand reveal. Oh, my gosh. Yo. I like it. Especially when I'm going to get all camo seat covers here soon. It's going to look legit. It feels so much more open back here, dude. Like, let's get in. Gonna be able to throw a sub right here. Dude, this is gonna be so good. They're 100 freaking %. Yo. The great part is you also still have your normal storage like you did in your other seat. I need to clean this thing out, and I'm gonna give y'all a good little view of them all nice and clean. And we're gonna see what it looks like. Alrighty, guys, time for y'all's grand reveal to show y'all guys. It's freaking legit, bro. Seatbelts go right in. Oh my gosh. It's so freaking cool. I need to order a cap though on this side. I want a genuine response in the comments below. What do you think about them, guys? I mean, yeah, the colors are different, but it does match the head liner and stuff and all the little colors up top. And it doesn't, I mean, it's kind of cool. Maybe if I added like some more tan accents, but I'm thinking to do some camo seat covers. Anyway, what do you think about this, guys? Do you think these were worth it? So, let me know in the comments below if y'all thought this was a really good idea or if you don't like it. If we can get this video to 200 likes, I'm going to throw a sub in it, and a big one. So, if y'all guys want to make that happen, I want y'all to hit that like button. Also, smash that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments below if you'd buy some stickers. I'm going to be dropping them here soon. And if you want to see what I'm about, follow my Instagram, Broden_86. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see you later.